If you feel lazy all the time and can't stay consistent with anything, this video is for you. The truth is, you're not actually lazy. You just don't have a system for discipline. Let's fix that step by step. 1. Stop relying on motivation. Motivation feels good, but it doesn't last. Some days you'll feel motivated. Most days you won't. If you wait for motivation, you will never be consistent. Discipline means doing the work, even when you don't feel like it. Thomas 2. Start extremely small. Most people fail because they try too much at once. They say, I'll wake up at 5 a.m., exercise, read and work hard, and quit after 2 days. Start small. Even 5 minutes of action is enough to build momentum. 3. Create a simple routine. Discipline becomes easy when you follow a routine. Wake up at the same time. Do your tasks at a fixed time. When something becomes a habit, it requires less effort. 4. Remove distractions. Your biggest enemy is distraction. Phone, social media, useless content. These things destroy your focus. Keep your phone away when working. Control your environment. 5. Use the 5-minute rule. When you don't feel like doing something, tell yourself, I'll do it for just 5 minutes. Most of the time, you'll continue. Starting is the hardest part. 6. Build discipline through repetition. Discipline is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Do small actions daily, and over time, it becomes part of you. 7. Track your progress. When you see progress, you stay motivated. Use a simple checklist or habit tracker. Mark your daily wins. This builds confidence and consistency. 8. Accept discomfort. Discipline is uncomfortable. Waking up early, working hard, staying focused. It's not easy. But growth never comes from comfort. 9. Reward yourself. After completing your tasks, reward yourself. It can be something small. This trains your brain to enjoy discipline. 10. Don't quit. After one bad day, you will fail sometimes. You will skip days. That's normal. But don't quit completely. Get back on track the next day. Remember, discipline is not something you're born with. It's something you build. And once you build it, it will change your entire life. Start small. Stay consistent. And most importantly, start today. Follow for more smart life ideas.